In this problem, we're going to be using arc length formula, and arc length formula goes by this. It's L is equal to the integral from, we'll call it A to B of the square root of 1 plus dx dy squared. And with this, we know that y is from 1 to 2. We know that the lower bound is going to be 1 and the upper bound is going to be 2 as a result of that. And then we know that x, we're given x, so we want to find dx dy. If we take dx dy, so differentiate x with respect to y, we'll end up getting